Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by identifying your BMW X3 key type. Most models use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Expect the whole job to take about 5 minutes if you have a small toolkit. First, remove the slim emergency key from the fob by pressing the release tab and sliding that key out. With the emergency key removed, you can see the seam where the two have separate. Work on a clean, flat surface and keep a tray ready so the small battery does not roll away. To open the fob, insert a 3.5 mm flathead screwdriver or a coin into the slot at the seam and twist gently. Do not force or gouge the plastic. Once the halves separate, locate the round CR2032 coin cell held by a metal clip. Use a plastic pry tool or a fingernail to lift the battery straight up, noting which side faces up so you maintain correct polarity. Do not touch the printed circuit board or metal contacts with bare fingers. Oils can place a new CR2032 battery into the clip with the plus side facing up, making sure it sits flat and the metal clip contacts the battery edge. Carefully realign the two halves of the fob and press them together until they click, then slide the emergency key back into its slot until it locks. Test the remote by standing near the vehicle and pressing lock and unlock. You should hear locks cycle or sea lights flash. If the remote still fails, reseat the battery and contacts, then try again. Recycle the old cell. Replacements cost about.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.